In this video, I will show you how to get bright core in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to get bright core, the first thing you're going to want to do is come to the desert area on your map. So if you go ahead and open up your map, you're going to want to basically explore around the map until you find this area with the desert, the dry land. Then what you want to do is go ahead and locate a cave. So you can see there's a couple down here. So what you're going to want to do is basically just go inside the cave. So you just want to go up to the entrance and then press the button to enter into the cave. So here we are in the cave. Now this way you can come to get some rare items, with one of those being the bright core. Now to go ahead and find the bright core, it actually looks like these bright coloured rocks. So you can see like down here for example. So what you want to do is basically come across to these and you want to use your pickaxe. Now you actually need the rare or epic pickaxe for this. So what you want to do is make sure you've upgraded your craft bench and of course make sure you craft either a rare or epic pickaxe. The common or uncommon pickaxe isn't going to work, so make sure you've got that first, and then what you can do is start mining away at these rocks. And as you can see, what's going to happen is this is going to start reducing the strength of the rock until eventually it's going to drop down this bright core. So you can see it's here, so you just want to pick this up, and that is basically all there is to it. So that's how to go ahead and get bright core in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.